Hello friends, this is Samuel Patel this side. Once again, welcomes you in the Automation Mastery Training. And in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the tooltip. Okay, what is the tooltip and why it is needed? So that we are going to discuss in this tutorial. So let's open the InTouch. Okay, so InTouch Application Manager is now open, right? And I'm going to open my test project which we have created. I'm going to open my window maker screen, okay, of my test project. Okay, so my window maker screen is now open. I'm going to use W4 screen to understand the tooltip concept. Okay, so what is the tooltip? Tooltip is nothing but to provide the information of such of some object. Okay, that means, for example, if this is the pressure sensor, okay, if this is the pressure transmitter, so now what tooltip does, okay, whenever your cursor is over the sensor, then you can find the you can see the information of the object. This is nothing but the tooltip. Okay, so if you double click on this, there is a tooltip option is available over here in the miscellaneous section, right? If you write down some static text over there, okay, I am write down some static text over there. Okay, for example, this is pressure transmitter, that means this is PT. Okay, I am pressing okay. Okay, I am saving my screen and I am going to the runtime mode. Okay, so whenever my cursor is over this pressure transmitter or over this object, okay, it will provide such kind of information that operator can understand. Okay, so this is PT. See, I have written down some static text for this tooltip options. Okay, for this tooltip properties. So whenever my cursor is over there, over that object, this is PT is visible, right? So that information is visible. That information is nothing but the tooltip. Okay, now instead of going to the static text, you can use the expression also. In expression, you have to use some kind of tag. Okay, for example, I'm using the tag like pressure. Okay, so I have created one tag which is called as a pressure. So I am giving the tag for that. Okay, uh, and right now I'm testing what it will look like. Okay, okay, see, cannot mix the another type with the string. Okay, so it's showing that cannot mix the another type with the string. Okay, if greater than 2, which is okay or not? No, cannot mix the another type with the string. Okay, so it's not happening with this expression. Let's do it again. Okay, like I'm taking as it is PT. Okay, let's do it for this. Okay, for example, see, cannot mix another type with the string. Okay, so I think this expression is not going to happen with this tooltip. Okay, you just need to remember that this is the information of some object. If you want to display over the runtime screen, you can use the tooltip. Okay, and for this tooltip, you have to use this static text. If you write some, for example, I am writing switch. I am writing switch as a text for this object. So whenever your cursor is over here in the runtime mode, tooltip window, means tooltip description, will be open. Okay, I'm going to the runtime. If I'm moving my cursor over there, see, switch is visible, right? This is nothing but the information of this object. Okay, so that's it about this tooltip, and we are going to meet in our next session with the new topic.